How's it going, everyone? Welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to run the calibration that is built into your Bambu Lab P1P. It's pretty simple. You either want Bambu Studio or the Bambu Handy app in order to complete this, so make sure you have that downloaded. Before we get started though, make sure you do have filament in your printer, as well as having the nozzle temperature and the bed temperature set in the feeding tab. So I do have filament loaded, but I do not have the temperature set, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. So we're gonna go down to the feeding tab, and then we're gonna go over to the nozzle temperature, and we're gonna raise that to around 220 degrees. All right, and then we're gonna click back, and we're gonna go down to the bed temperature, and we're gonna raise that to around 60 degrees. And we will wait for both of these to heat up, and then we will transition over to the Bambu Handy app. You can run it from the settings tab as well. You just have to go down to calibration and then clicking run. I like doing it from the app just because I like the app's UI, and I think it's easier to follow along and navigate through instead of this display. So our printer is almost at the temperature we want it at, which is 60 degrees. It's at 57. So while that's continuing to rise, we'll go ahead and start the process here. So on the Bambu Lab app, we're gonna make sure that we are on the correct printer. If you have more than one, click over here and then click calibration. And it's gonna tell you before calibration, make sure that the filament is loaded and its nozzle temperature and bed temperature is set in the feeding tab. If you watched this video, then you already know this. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and click the Start Calibration. So it says this could take several minutes. This is usually less than 5 minutes, but sometimes it quotes up to 12. So we're gonna go ahead and start calibration. And the printer's gonna do some fun movements here. One thing to note while this is starting up, just so you are aware, if this is your first Bambu Lab printer, this printer is a little bit on the louder side compared to some other machines out there. Definitely worth it as far as the speed goes, but it is a little loud, can be a little noisy, and can kind of take you off guard, but it should be okay. If you are worried though, make sure to listen closely and look up on the Bambu Lab wiki for any specific sounds that you may hear coming from a specific part. I'm gonna stick my microphone a little closer so you can hear some of the sounds that you may hear. These sounds are completely normal, even though they may sound like they're not. So now we see that we have finished auto calibrating. It's at 100%. We're gonna go ahead and click finish. And that's it. We are good to go.